If you're an owner of a business, you know of all the blood, sweat, and tears to create that business and to keep that business going. And it's even more important to make sure that this business will thrive and continue in case something happens to you. That's why it's so important to make sure you have a well-crafted, comprehensive business succession plan in place to prepare for any unforeseen and sudden events like death or incapacity. When developing a business succession plan, it's so important to keep certain points in mind. But first, I want to go over what is a business succession plan. Well, a business succession plan is a binding document that prepares your business for the future. It allows a business to really spell out what will happen to your company if you retire, become disabled, or die. The plan can also identify specific goals and expectations for the transfer of ownership when these events take place. A business succession plan creates a step-by-step instruction for a smooth transition in your business. It ensures that hand-picked individuals assume critical positions in your organization in case of disability, death, or retirement. So, why is a business succession plan important? Well, the most important reason to have a business succession plan is to really make sure that your company is prepared for the unexpected. Without a plan in place, your company will not be prepared for potential transitions or any other unforeseen event. You just never know when a disability, an accident, or some other event could occur, but you can prepare in advance with a plan. Your plan will make sure that your company will continue to operate and thrive. It's also important because you could also minimize taxes for the future. So when you're creating your plan, let's keep these 5 top tips in mind. Number 1, the type and size of your business. Listen, creating a plan for a company of 1 is so different creating a plan for a company of several shareholders. Make sure you are customizing your plan. Number 2, the organization structure of your business. Are you a partnership, a solo practitioner, an LLC? These things really matter, and you have to take that into account when you're creating your succession plan for the future and who will be involved. Number 3, the scope of your strategy for succession. How far ahead are you thinking about? Are you thinking about the next generation for your business? Or are you just thinking about selling and liquidating those business assets? That really plays a huge part in when you're thinking about what's happening to your business when you're no longer here. Number 4, how to implement your succession plan. How far ahead will you be given a heads up to your individuals who are carrying out your plan? Who's going to be helping you carry out your wishes? And will you have your plan in writing or digitized? These are such critical questions that you have to think about and plan when you're thinking about your business for the future. And number 5, who are the right people who will take on leadership roles in your company? Will you be thinking of a current employee? Or how about a family member? Or who will react to your chosen ones? Again, please consider this when you're thinking about the future. As you can see, creating a business succession plan is so important, not just for you, but for everyone involved. If you own a business, I urge you, please contact our firm. We'd be so happy to go over how a plan should be created for you, your business, and your legacy.